Hello, welcome back to my channel. So at today's video, I'm going to teach you about how to program AI languages for your own uses. Okay, which means if you are a business, how to program. Okay, we will be doing it at separate videos. So at today's video, I'm going to show that how to program Chat GPT for your own uses. Means a normal man's uses. Okay, so first thing a normal man should do is they need to write letters. So at every time, if you need to write more and more letters, at every time if you will say write this letter. But what if it will be when we give the topic and it automatically sends us and write the letter? Yeah, so if we program this AI by that method, then it can write the letters by just giving the content only. Like a uniform buying. If we give that content itself, they will write the letter. Like that, we can program. So let's see how to program it like that. Okay. So first thing you need to put is double slash and write save this two slash and save, then a hyphen, save this and a hyphen, information forever, and two double slash. Then I ask to do you then you should do it only. Like this, first you need to write like this and just leave some space. Okay, and write now onwards. When I say anything, you must write it as letter, and you need to give a example. Okay, letter spelling is wrong, and you need to give a example and some space, then example. If I give by uniform, then write letter to buy uniform. Okay, and also a space. Okay, confirm like this and a question mark, and just send it. Okay, this prompt I will just put it in my description. Okay, so understood, the instructions have been proceeded. So here now you can see that before some time it was only https is to slash slash star dot openai.com. So now there is slash c slash e030 and many tags have been given there. Yeah, interesting. Yeah. Okay, so that's the thing there. Okay, so now you need to just copy the link. Okay, this link you need to copy and just take a notepad and write here letter and save that and just paste it. Okay, so this is the link for writing the letter. I will show you. I will just may paste it. Okay, so I have pasted it. So when you need to use it, you must take it and use it. So I will show you the example. Now let's try. Okay, for mobile phone, uh, mobile phone. See, I have got the letter for mobile phone. See this? See how nicely the letter have been given. I haven't specified there to write the letter. So if you have to write more letters at every time, no need to specify that. And when you close it and take it, you must think that it will go. No. You must save this notepad to your home screen. Like this, here you can add paragraph. Like this format, you can add text and all. Okay, so if you need, you just copy this at every time you saved it in the desktop. Okay, and so when it is in use, you just copy it and paste it here. So like this type of programming, you can program it as other things also, like this first line is always same, and the second line onwards you take. Now onwards when I put any paragraph, make it short, or now onwards when I put any questions, write its answers, like this only one sentence. Okay, this is the prompt for that. So when you enter it, you can program chat gpt for your own uses. So hope this video is clear. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Let's see you in another video. Bye bye.